kilometers away from this place. Then myself, just about 6 years old boy, I think so. My brother, my father's elder brother's family, they are all living here itself. And myself and my brother seen that some American people, that means Western, having a Western hat, is coming. So that means somebody is coming from Baba's side. So we often and often, so many people are visiting this place, so that we have thought some Baba, somebody is coming from Baba's side. So then he came, they asked to us, so where is your parents? So where is your father? Then my brother was gone there to bring my father. So afterwards my father and Pendu both are exchanging the views. Baba is they wanted to come here and they wanted to stay for a week here. So Baba told like that, if you are able to look after the comfort to Baba stay here, so you can be able to do the arrangements. So he asked Pendu Kaka. Then my father was very happy to hear that words from Pendu. Then my father has told, I am very happy because I want to see Baba already long back I have seen. So welcome, I will see Baba comfort. So he told like that. Then again he gone back and he told like that also. Even tomorrow, that means he is agreed means he tell to Venkaba Rao. So next day about 12 o'clock they will come like that, you can tell him. So told that Pendu Kaka. Then gone back, my father was arrangements was made for comfort to stay Baba in this room itself, and one room for other mandalis, that means Iraj, Pendu and Baidu, and one room for left for cooking purpose. So they have made like this, some arrangements are there. So Baba came next day about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Heavy rain. There was a very heavy rain, and with the rain itself, Baba came and then after, as soon as comes, Baba asked to my father. So Baba asking to my father, why you are not come for the Satara's darshan? Then my father told, Baba, I would not receive any circulars. That's why I could not attend the Savas program, Baba. So Baba then asked, anyway you know the program was in Satara? Yes, Baba, I know. But why do you not come? So Baba, without circular, how can I come, Baba? Without your permission, how can I come? So Baba told, you are not come to see attend the darshan of Satara. So that's why I came here. He told like that, Baba. That means some signification is there. Whatever Baba coming to this place, doing some spiritual work, that is all Baba only knows. So daily they are going back after the breakfast. They are leaving this place and going somewhere. Don't know with the mandalis, they going outside. They come in the evening. So like that 3 days only they have stayed here. After 3 days they wanted to go back. Baba told like that. So I wanted to go back. So then third day, before going, one day is gone to that reserve to see the reservoir also. And last day they wanted to come even with the rain itself, Baba wants to come this one ground of this center point. So having my father having a umbrella to Baba. So the Baba is coming in the right hand side. My father is holding the umbrella with the left hand side of Baba. So I used to play in the some other room. So I saw this my father. Actually my father and myself too much of attachment was there. So I saw my father and immediately I ran away from that place and came and hold my father's left hand. So then my father holding like this only, friend brought in front of Baba and told to Baba is my second son. He told. Then Baba is like that. His express his life. I'm just about 6 years old boy. I have a good remembrance. I cannot forget that moment. So that is that. Even the exact spot also I can able to. So where Baba has I have seen Baba. So like that. So like that, Baba came to stay here about 3 days in this room, and then afterwards he went back. So this is the place in my after new life. Baba sold this property to my father. My father was kept till 1964. In 1964, in 1959 itself, my father moved to Bangalore. So he is not able to stay here, and it is very difficult to look after the family. This one. So that's why with the Baba's permission itself, moved to Bangalore in 1959. So we are all very young. That means in 1959 about 11 years old boy. Myself. For education also very difficult. So only from primary to high school only, primary to middle school only. If it is want to go to high school, you have to go to Bangalore, otherwise in Ramnagar. So there is no education facilities nearby. So that is the purpose my father moved to Bangalore. So that is in 59. My father is having 2 brothers, one younger brother, one elder brother. So the properties also have a share with all brothers. And my father's share was sold in 1959-60 those days. Then except these buildings till 1964 has kept like that only. So in 1964, one day my father came to see this place. So actually there was a center point. Baba laid the foundation. There is one construction, small construction. Construction is one symbol. Made a symbol there, and Baba sold that symbol to don't spoil this symbol. So like that, Baba told to my father. And that day my father came in 1964, but somebody has broken that the symbol of which made for indicating. It has been destroyed. So that my father has seen that destroyed one. Then he has got very upset because Baba told me to save this, but I am not able to save this exact things. So what can you do for this? Then so afterwards my father wrote to letter to Mayor Baba. So saying this, I am not able to preserve this buildings as well as the symbol which you have sown. But Baba, what can I do for this? So that's why Baba asked him to come to Mehrabad. My father came there and visited Baba and asked Baba to my father. So regarding the buildings and all those things you were asking me, why you are asking to me? Because we don't have anything. I have left out all the properties before New Life itself. Then my father told, not Baba, actually till that property I have not think of my property. Till you think I kept as your property only. That means Baba told her, that means you go and sell that property and get that amount, whatever you get that amount, you go and get. So like that came my father back and told some local people to I am selling this property. So many people came forward to purchase this property, and purpose of they wanted to construct some his own house or building something somewhere else. So they wanted to destroy these buildings and get some things from this destroyed building. Materials of stones, doors, windows, and steel, whatever you get. So that type of peoples they have come and offer. But my father told them, no, I am not giving such kind of peoples. So anybody wants to keep along, keep this as it is without destroying this building, keeping as it is means. So that how much they are going to give that is sufficient for me. So he has announced like that. Then one Mr. Muniappa, he came and asked for 3,500. So entire this building as well as land of 1 acre 15 guntas or something. So that time my father was sold to that gentleman for 3,500. So then out of that 3,500, my father was given 500 to his elder brother, because they are all they having a share with this property. That's why he has given 500 rupees to my elder brother, and 500 to another one who has my father's maternal uncle, I think so. He has also purchased one building, and he is having registered this one building to his name. So that has to, again it has to re-register to his name, and he wanted to sell to the other person. That's why he has paid 500 rupees to that person also. And remaining 2,500 rupees was there. He has taken that 2,500 rupees and went to Mehrabad. And told to Baba like this, and he is kept with in front of Baba with 2,500. So then Baba told to Iraj or Adikirani, I don't know that. So he take 1,000 rupees from this amount to use it for bus work, and other balance amount given to Impova itself. So that means they have taken only 1,000 rupees from that amount, and 1,500 rupees given back to my father itself. So that means so this entire story was ended with after selling this property to other person, that's Muniappa. So like that, from 1964 to 1983, this property belongs to Muniappa. So in 1982 there is a Amar Tithi time, 1982. In Amar Tithi time, my father was they wanted to start one same name this center at Bangalore, the Meher Baba Universal Spiritual Center. So they wanted to start the center at Bangalore. So they have distributed one pamphlets like that. We are going to start the Meher Baba Universal Spiritual Center at Bangalore. So then there are so many Baba lovers are recollected. There is a Bairamangala Center, is a Meher Baba Universal Spiritual at Bairamangala, but now the same name somebody they wanted to start here. So then so many Baba lovers has been. So actually they want they what do you call recollect the old memories. Then again, so that on that day, night, Amartiti day, there is a very big rain. That is 31st after Amartiti. I was also the first visit to Mehrabad. So in 1982. So I also visited. Then that time one Mr. Kalyanraj Joshi, he has asked me who is Venkova Rao. Venkova Rao is my father. He told me like that. Then he wanted to visit my father, and he came and visited my father, and so discussion about the pamphlet which I have seen in the afternoon. Then so my father is telling him about this Baramula center, and so again we came back to Pune, where coming back to Amartiti. So we came to Pune. In Pune, in the visitors book, my father wrote a from address, and he came back. Later on, K.K. Ramakrishnan wrote a letter to my father. So seeing that visitors book having my father's address, he has wrote a letter to my father. So because K.K. Ramakrishnan is also not having a good health on that time, in 1982. So he wanted to visit the Bangalore. Purpose he wanted to purchase the magnets for magnetic therapy. So magnetic centers in Bangalore. So he wanted to visit that center, and he wanted to purchase some magnets for the purpose of magnetic therapy. So he came purpose of that visit the magnetic center, and that time father K.K. Ramakrishnan came to this place, and K.K. Ramakrishnan saw this place. My father found that is the point Baba laid the foundation, and this is the place, this is the room Baba stayed 3 days in this room. That time, so actually this room has been locked from the outside. So K.K. Ramakrishnan came this side and just stand in the front of this room. So he has got a vision. So a room door has been open, and Baba sitting inside like this Darbar force, and Baba is wearing a brick red coat and South Indian type dhoti. So this vision has he's seen this vision, K.K. Ramakrishnan. And apart from that, he have a word from his mouth. So Baba again it will come into the life. So this word is also came from his mouth. So then then only came to realize that till that he is not having sense. I think what Baba giving a darshan and why this words came from my mouth. So from that time, so K.K. Ramakrishnan seeing a just not in the correct exact front, so just about slightly left side. So Baba figure will be seen from the just like the TV screen. So like that, Baba is giving a darshan to K.K. Ramakrishnan. So apart from that, so he saw the Baba's darshan in this room, wearing a brick red coat and South Indian type dhoti. and he has got confused because K.K. Ramakrishnan is with Baba till Baba's leave the body. So then he has not seen this kind of South Indian type dhoti and great coat. So why this Baba give a darshan, I don't know. So this is the curiosity he is having. So then he's gone back to Pune. Even each and every minute, if you saw the left hand side, Baba will coming in the screen, just like Baba giving the darshan. So again he gone to Pune, and he saw on his table there is a new book has come, book called Love Alone Prevails. That is taken that book in his hand and is open randomly. Is open randomly. That is page number 283. It's maybe 283. So exactly there is a clarification about the Foundation Day celebration. So in 1979, that is the 17th of 1939. So Baba how performed the celebration and how is laid the foundation. The detail is in that page. So like that, so many curiosity is again and again coming to K.K. Ramakrishnan. So then after I think it is in the month of December. So then in the month of May, I think so. So we are that Muniappa came back to my father and he told me this property I wanted to give back to you. So then we call that K.K. Ramakrishnan, he will let him come, I will discuss and give this property to yourself. So like that K.K. Ramakrishnan and my father have decided to take this property later on. That is in May month itself. So we have purchased this land and with building at the rate of we have paid 50,100. So father was sold this property to this Muniappa 3,000 at the rate, cost of 3,500. So later on my father and K.K. Ramakrishnan both they have given 50,100 to this Muniappa and take back, we have purchased this property. At the time of this property, we have started one trust. So in the name of the trust, this property has been registered. So from 19, that is I think 11th August 1983. From there onwards, the trustee peoples look after this property and developing this center. So like this, so many experience and stories are there.
Yes.
Okay, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Why don't you just tell the story about how you had the thought about the table and the shovel?
So actually in 1994 is the Baba's birth centenary. So in after acquired this property in 1983, and that time these 9 buildings have been completed and 3 was uncompleted. So in 1989 that 3 buildings are also been completed. The trust people's then totally 12 buildings are there. So in 1993 we have decided to construct this central building. So that is the central building is there. We have started the building construction of central building in March or April 1993. So because we wanted to finish the construction, complete the construction within December of 1994, that is Baba's centenary ends. So we'll have to inaugurate that building in the year 1994 itself. So we have started 1993. So in the year 1994, I think in the month of June, July, like that. So myself and K.K. Ramakrishnan sitting actually I was living in Bangalore itself. So myself and Ramakrishnan both are sitting in my house, and I have seen this stool in 1992 Amartithi time. Dr. Barucha has shown this stool. It is kept in on the museum of Baba. It is called study room, study hall. I think study hall. It is upper portion of the museum. So I myself and my father, Dr. Barucha has shown this stool, but this sagal we don't know where it is. So afterwards we are thinking to get these things to Bayar Mangala. We are asking why can't we ask to trustee peoples. So like that it is in my mind. So myself told to K.K. Ramakrishnan ji, why can't you ask these things to give it to our center. So then he told me if Baba wishes it will come automatically, don't worry. So he told like that. Then I gone back. Usually from 83 onwards, he used to come and stay here for a month in the month of December, I think, or so. So like that in I think 83 December itself, I think so. So Mayor K.K. Ramakrishnan told me like that. Then he gone back to Pune. So within 15 days he received a letter from Manija Irani. He is a chairman of this trust. So he received a letter, and that letter receiving letter he told me like that. So he received a letter from the trust. Manija Irani has sent this letter. So we'll have to make a plan to go to Mehrabad and get these things. So he told me like that. So actually before inauguration of this center, so those days having a Mahindra Jeep. So I have sent that Mahindra Jeep to get these things from Mehrabad. So K.K. Ramakrishnan and our family members also gone there to take these things. From there they are brought to Pune. From Pune to Bangalore, they are brought here. And before the inauguration, we are at the time of inauguration, we have kept in the center point. These things are kept there. So later on, because of security purpose, we have kept these two things in Baba's room. Because without lock and key, we cannot keep these things.
Yes.
These very valuable things, we cannot imagine that what value it got. So like that, these things are also got, but it is all called miracle of Baba only. Baba is not does miracles, but these things like miracles only. Without his Baba's wish, we cannot expect also. So this kind of this one as a unexpected things we cannot expect also. So even though till today what selfless desires, so Baba will fulfill the desires like anything. without that, selfless desires always fulfill. Baba is fulfilling. So if it is self-filling, self-fully, we have desires anything means it cannot be expect. So selfless desires definitely Baba will fulfill.
Yes.
So this is the example.
Yes.
Thank you, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.